Okay, so this is another beautiful day in Florida. Well, now it's a beautiful day because the clouds are subsiding right now. But I'm going to be done at the Bay Mounts, and I'm going to Walmart real fast, and then I'm going to go to the Biscayne National Park real fast. I'm going to actually go there and see if I can see some manatees again. And then after that, I'm going to go be traveling 4 hours back to Orlando to my last campsite, which is Kelly Park Campground. That's my last one. That's closer to Orlando, and then that's where I'm going to go to the Hollywood Studios. And then I am also going to Disney the next day before 4th of July. And then the 4th of July day, I'm just going to be chilling out because I have to take a 15-hour drive back to Ohio. So that's going to be fun. Fun, not fun. I don't know how I'm going to survive that last journey of the trip. And then after that, a couple days after that, I'm going to Yellowstone on July 10th. So I still got a lot more journey to go to. But right now, I'm going to go head to Walmart, which is right down the block, and then a few blocks away, head down to Biscayne National Park. So that's why Bay Mount Hotel is really good, because it kind of put me in place of the Everglades and also the Biscayne National Park at the same time. So it wasn't a bad spot to be in. But even though the campground at Flamingo didn't work out, but the hotel did work out in my favor. So let's go to Walmart right now, pick up some ice at the same time for the cooler. So let's go. Oh my God! They are there. There's two. I think it's two, right?
Oh, is it two?
I think it's two. I saw like two shadows, but there's a manatee right there. Oh my God! Look at the other guys too. Yeah. Oh, there it is. You see, this part right here this is man-made, and they were going to keep building and building all the way out, but they kind of stopped because they ran out of money. Or it was like another disaster. I think it was a hurricane that came in, and they just said, you know what, screw it, we're done. We're done. We're just not gonna finish it at that point. So you can tell that's why that's like unfinished right now. But this is a nice walk from the visitor center. Can't get a boat ride. You can walk it all the way up. Clear to see Miami's all the way right there. Clear day, you can see you couldn't see Miami a couple days ago because of the rain, but you can see it right over there. And because of all that, that's where our problems start. All the issues starts in the cities, and they spread out like wildfire. Largely of the Biscayne National Park, it's actually underwater. So if you do want to see majority of, like, I think 90% of it is. So if you do want to see majority of the national park, you're gonna have to do snorkeling and all that. Unfortunately, I'm not brave enough to do all that right now because I have my mind is like, maybe in the future when I come back down here, I can finally say, you know what, let's do it. Let's go ahead. Let's go snorkeling underwater and do all that. But I am just not brave enough to do it right now. And also, I'm out of time. Put it that way. I am really just out of time to do it. And if you can see all the way down there, that's Miami City. This is on a clear day. This is a good day to see it. Any other time, it would be shrouded by clouds of like you would think a hurricane's happening over there, but it's not. So on a clear day right now, that's what's happening. Like, you can actually not have any. This is what you can see over in Miami. But yeah, see, they have to keep it, you know, kind of a little bit idle all the way past out there, because this is all Manatee territory that they want to keep, you know, boats from hitting them and everything. So it goes all the way out there, then they can just put on the jets. But they say it's like 48 feet all the way out, and when you look down, you know, it's a little different, but but they say it's 48 feet all the way out, which is why the manatees are, you know. But if you want to catch fish, come out early. There's not a lot of boats out right now. When it comes like the middle of the day, it's around 1 o'clock. It's a little too crowded out here, in my opinion. But yeah, it is beautiful out here. I highly recommend coming out to Biscayne National Park. It's worth it. It is very worth it. Even though 90% of parks on the water, but you do have options, even though it's gonna cost a little money. So if you want to come out here, want to go snorkeling and all that, I think that's like around, I think snorkeling is like $100. The boat ride, I think, was for tax and everything, was $86 to go out to Boca, Chita. Go all the way out there, spend an hour on the island. I highly recommend bug repellent. And you can go canoeing. I think canoeing is like around, I think that's around $30, if I remember correctly. That's around $30. But you can come out here to see more of the park. Just giving you some options out here. Now this part right here is free. Come out here, there's no fee. There's no fee to get into the park, to the national park. There's no fee for that, because they don't know who to, I think from what I heard was they didn't know who to charge when they come on here, because everyone's coming from the outside on ships and stuff. It's like, well, who do you charge? Like, how much do you charge? And this and this. So they just said, forget it. We're gonna go by donations. and support, and that's what you do. So if you buy anything from the gift shop, donation, the profit goes back into the park. And also the boat rides that are catered to the national park, will say right on there on their website, that goes back into the national park as well, and also it pays their workers as well. So forget about that. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please keep subscribing to Coast Guy Adventures as I bring you guys more footage from my Florida trip coming to you guys on the channel. So subscribe, and I will see you guys later.